Panther Magazine, the Panther Platform Lookbook, and the official publication for the Panther Platform. Working on the window here with Andrew. My window hasn't gone up since June, I think. Just now getting it fixed, just now having the time to get it fixed. Working on it. Took us a while, got the glass out. Andrew did majority of the work, but my hands was in on this project as well. What made it so difficult to take the glass out?
These stupid rivets.
The rivets.
You gotta snatch them out and drill them out. Oh,
Yeah.
not one of Ford's better ideas. They could have just put bolts like that. We would have been done already.
Yeah.
Yep. I got YouTube on my TV, so that's really cool.
Yeah. Could watch all the Panther content on TV.
Yep.
Now we're installing the motor. Like he said, installation is much easier than removal. That's the quote for today.
I think we got a problem.
Uh-oh.
I think this is a left.
Really?
Yeah. See the bracket?
So embarrassingly enough, I bought the wrong part for the car. The motor that I bought was for the other side, for the other door, not for this one. So I'm gonna have to take it back or return it and get another one, but I can get my window up now and it's gonna just stay up. But yeah, I feel bad. I feel like I owe Andrew a whole Panther for this. But we'll get it fixed.
Yep. No big deal. We can at least get it up for now.
Yep.